What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have featured back on the channel, you guys, Flex Seal, as seen on TV. Well, if you see it on TV anymore. Nowadays, you just see it at Lowe's, Walmart, Home Depot, and Amazon. At least I think it may be on Amazon. So with this, it says, of course, liquid rubber in a can. Last time I reviewed this, people was like, you didn't do it right. You don't know what you're doing. You don't read directions. And you know what I have to rebuttal to everybody? You don't look at my whole videos. So boom, there you go. Now, I do read directions. In the video, I said in the directions, it says make sure the area is dry. But I was doing a test to see if this worked in an emergency. So with that being said, it did work on like 3 of my barrels. One of the barrels leaked, but I believe it's the actual thread of the spigot that's on the barrel. In our situation, we are going to do things the right way. Now, we do have this. It says roof leaks, gutters, and all that stuff. So if I get a chance, focus in, y'all can see all that. All right. Now, this stuff is not cheap, you guys. This is not cheap. Can I repeat that again? This is not cheap. All right, so liquid rubber in a can, shake very well. It says spray 8 to 12 inches from surface using an even sweeping motion. All right. So we're gonna shake it well. Now I'm gonna use this on my bird baths. Unfortunately, I left my bird baths out during the winter season this season. This is one of the things that I'm supposed to bring in the house or put it in the shed to keep it out of the cold weather. And unfortunately, it has a bunch of cracks on it. One of the main things on here says allow 24 to 48 hours to dry before applying another coat. So we will be applying 2 coats to this. I'm not sure if I need to put it on the bottom or not, but I might just leave the bottom alone for now. If it leaks, then I will redo it again. So here we go. I'm gonna come back out here, give it a nice seal. Make sure you wear your PPE. I think I might put 2 seals on it, or 2 coats, sorry. I might do the back as well. Just so it can be done. Got a big crack right there. Big cracks, big cracks. Wait 24 hours, and then we apply another coat on it. So hopefully everything goes well. I'm really getting these cracks, you guys. It is running down, so I just want to cover all the cracks that I can before I apply another coat. I'll apply it tomorrow. Then we'll put this bird bath into action. I will be repainting this as well and putting another coat on it, a clear coat. I will be spraying this with this white spray paint. So it's a semi-gloss. I was thinking about getting like a regular gloss, but I think semi-gloss will be okay. If I spray it, I'm just gonna spray the cracks that I see. So I'm gonna spray it. Now I'm only spraying the crack. Yeah. So I'll give it another coat. As soon as it dries, it says wait 24 hours, so we're gonna wait. We're gonna follow the rules, you guys. Now with the second coat, I don't think I have to do too much. I'm just gonna literally just spray whatever crack that I see and try to fill it in with this rubber seal, and that will be it. So stay tuned and we will put the second coat on. All right, you guys, so 24 hours is up and we are about to put on our second application. So let me go ahead and put the second coat on. So hit and put the second coat on. Now this time I'm just gonna spray the cracks that I see. Go back a little bit further away this time. Whenever I say crack, you guys, that's what I'm applying. I hope everything turns out well, especially in this area. See right there's a main crack right here. So hopefully it fills it up. I just don't spray too much, I have too much running down. So I'll spray a little bit now and come back, maybe in another couple hours. and then we'll see what happens after that. If not, I'll put cement in the middle. If this don't work, I'll just cement in the middle up, and then be done with that. Or else we need to patch up cement. I'll patch up cement. Let's see if this flex seal works. Using up the second coat, and hopefully everything turns out well. I sprayed a good amount in there. Hopefully it's good. I'm really trying to get inside of there. Try to test it out with water. I'll see y'all in the next 24 hours. Next time, I will be putting these indoors. During the winter time, I will keep it indoors. So, catch y'all in the next 24 hours. And it's the same thing. It has like a repellent effect. So that's pretty cool. All right, you guys, make sure I don't drip nothing on the floor. Oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Ooh, that's a big leak. Oh, it leaked. It's leaking from right here. Okay, so it's leaking from here, which indicates it didn't seal properly somewhere. It probably didn't seal it all the way there. Inside of this crack right here. All right, you guys, we have issues. I am not going to get rid of this bird bath, and it's a little dirty right there. Well, a leaf got on it. All right. Anyways, so I am not going to get rid of these bird baths, you guys. I am determined, okay? So I did spray some Flex Seal on here on the bottom. If y'all do remember, I did spray it, but it is still leaking, and I'm basically going to take care of this bottom because I believe the crack that's inside of the bird bath, like inside of the circle area, the crack is like too deep or too big. Let's solve the problem from the bottom. All right, you guys, so the Flex Seal worked, but in my situation, I had to seal up two different ways. So I had to seal, I think this big crack right here, it penetrated inside of the concrete. So when I left it like this the first time, just spraying the top, it was leaking really bad. But now that I sprayed the bottom of it, I have no leaks. All right, no leaks at all. And the Flex Seal is supreme, you guys. Now I have a bird bath that I can reuse and not worry about the water leaving after one day of putting water inside. This is the second time featuring Flex Seal on this channel, and both times worked out pretty good. So yeah, if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.